Okay guys, 5 minute candles here on URI. I'm showing you yesterday's 5 minute trading first. This is a highlight video, by the way, for GreatStockPicks.com on Friday. I'm not a big fan of trading options expiration, but you know what, I had a really nice day, so glad I showed up today. URI looked like a what we call a PFPD, potential final push down yesterday, and a really nice rebound in the ground higher all day. Now here's what happens. There's the open today. All right, I love the rebound. I can maybe slide the little daily chart over here so you can see. I love the fact that it lost this 30 area yesterday, but came up and closed back near it, okay, or close to it. So to me, this was worth watching as another long again today. SPY gap down, so a lot of stocks were weak at the open. Anyway, verbally over the microphone, I told everybody I like URI on a high of day break. Okay, so the early high 29.66. If it gets to 29.67, there's the trigger. Always teach on a high of day break, you want to put your stop, especially, well, not every scenario, but generally you want to put your stop below the trigger candle itself, 5 minute candles. Okay, so entry of 29.67 was my idea. If you're playing it smart, your stop's going to go below the trigger candle. In this case, 29.40. Okay, so that's a 27 cents risk. And you can see what happened. It went over the next 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. It went to 31.33. A quick $1.66 move in our favor. 27 cents risk. I had no losing trades today again. And again, one yesterday, and that was about 2 or 3 cents on GameStop. Avon went into what we call a potential final push down here. Using a method we teach in chat, I call this at 15.32 on the way back up here. Low of day stop. So the stop's going to be 9 cents below. 15.32 entry, and it worked its way up over the next couple hours to 15.72, I believe. So 40 cent move in our favor on 9 cents risk. Another very nice one. And then in the afternoon, one of our members, Raju, posted JCPenney's is interesting, and I kind of had this one in the back burner of my brain anyway, because it finally made a decent move off its lows yesterday, and I thought if this can break its early high, it might get going. Well, by the time Raju pointed out, it already looked like this. When this red candle, these sellers came in, I said, you know what, I like it now. If these sellers fail, we're probably going to get through the high of the day. My idea was 20.55, but then it put in another little candle right there. I actually typed in chat that I was taking some right here on this little flag, just in case it got to 20.55. I thought it might catapult. Okay, so actually got filled at 20.49, and told the chat room that's where I was buying it. But even if you took the 20.55 right there, worst case stop on JCPenney's was 11 cents below, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes later, really about 20 minutes later, you got a really nice push. And doesn't sound like much, but it went to 20.89. If you're a day trader, you understand how much money can be made on a little move like this. So again, I'm not an overnight hold guy, so some nice trades there. I think that might have been it for the day. It wasn't a lot of calls. Oh, I also mentioned EAT. This one peeves me because I missed it, but EAT looked like this, and I said, this might be worth a nibble right here. And I'm mad at myself because it had support in this area on the daily and had fallen pretty far. Again, I know from watching my videos, I like bottom feeding. And all you got to do is take 300 shares there, right, and give it 20 cents. And then your worst case, you're risking 60 bucks. Anyway, that was the low of the day, and it made it up to past 32.80. So a really nice 80-something cent move on about 20 cents risk. Several members did get that. I'm not one of them, though. But anyway, a real nice day. I guess I won't babble anymore. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you guys on Monday.